everyone, this is Crafting with Christy, and today I have an unboxing. Fair warning, you will hear the boyfriend in the background. He is playing his game. He just got onto day shift with Walmart, so it's gonna be a little hard for me to record. This box comes to you from Diamond Art Club. I know I haven't done very many Diamond Art Club unboxings. Hold on. Okay, so bubble wrap. Oh gosh, the kids are gonna love that. So this is the painting that I got. It is called Time. Oh, and my my sticker, or my packing slip, or whatever you want to call it, was stuck to my canvas. Sorry about the noise of me pulling the sticker off, but this is Time. It is a round, and the size is 52 by 72. Let's get right into it. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. I know I am. Hope I can get this darn plastic off. Okay. So, as some of y'all may know, Diamond Art Club is doing away with the some of the bigger kits, so they can do like frame sizes, and this is what is inside. So let's get in there, pull it out. So those are the drills. Grab the canvas, and then the toolkit. If you are new to my channel, this is a Diamond Art Club kit. This comes in a fancy little bag like you see here. You get a one placer. You also get a squishy. You put it on just like that. You get one wax. Well, you actually get two, but the other one decided not to come out. You get 2 heart wax, because, you know, Diamond Art Club loves us that much more. A clear boat with a spout. Sorry about the noise. Baggies. And I don't think this one comes with any placer. Some of them, oh yes it does. Yes it does. So you take, sorry, having issues. Take that. There's your 3 placer. So your pen is ready to go. So let me just...
Oh wow, but yet the other team comes in and kills them?
He's noisy. Let me just stick all this back in there. And I seen that Miss Crocheting Coffee's husband was working on it, and I've been telling her that I wanted to get it to because like like, I guess you could say that I'm weird. But to me, time looks like so beautiful. Sorry, I'm just moving the drills out of the way, and then what I'm going to do, if it will let me, I'm going to roll it back. I seen crafting with peppers. I guess unbox his, and just seeing the canvas in person, like, or not in person, up close, it just made me want it even more. And when Diamond Art Club put this on its clearance sale, I was like, I need it. These right here is, visit our online store at diamondartclub.com. Get your next masterpiece. 9 steps to diamond paint. If you already don't know how to diamond paint, I gotta unroll it again because I'm goofball, and we got this. I know y'all haven't seen me do an unboxing for Diamond Art Club in a while, and so I hope y'all really enjoy this one, because I'm enjoying this one, and I don't know if I want to do this one next. I'm not sure. Alright, I gotta make sure it goes all the way down. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, I didn't think it was gonna be that big. Like, holy cow. That is stunning. And then we're gonna check the sticky, which Diamond Art Club sticky is just amazing. Let's check the drill field. Sorry. Sorry if I'm bumping y'all, I don't mean to. Okay. Stop, please. That's my fault. I'm going to put an image here to show y'all what it looks like. Let's see, there's 23 colors. Holy cow. That's gonna turn out beautiful. And I didn't think I was gonna actually get this one, because with me being on a budget, so I was like, you know what, if it's on the website next month, I'll get it. And then I seen something about like a Diamond Art Club, what is it, I have a brain fart. I know what it's called, but it's just not coming out. Y'all ever have those? I have them a lot. Oh, a gift card. And I was like, oh, I have one of those. I have one of those because for my birthday, sprinkle alert, okay. Okay, yeah, those are. Anyways, for my birthday, Brother Jeremy, thank you so much.
Dude, hit her!
Excuse the boyfriend. Again. He got me a $25 gift card for my birthday. Thank you, Jeremy. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so we got Straggler all up in there. trying to party. We got 720, 780, 782, and it's twisted. 814, 498, 762, 3780, 87, sorry, 779, 780, 7860, 7861, 648, another bag of 648, 646, 413, and then this one is 3024, 414, 317, 3799, another bag of 37.99 and 33.71. And then we got our 3 bags right here of 939, 2 bags of 310. We have a bag of 938. We have a bag of 647 and 2 bags of 5200. So I will link this this down below if you would like to get yourself a time from Diamond Art Club. But other than that, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down in the comment section below. I do also have my email in the description box. I am also a affiliate with Heartful Diamonds, so if you want to go get you a diamond painting or whatever they have on their site, please go check it out through my link. I have that link down in the description box. But other than that, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.